What you want, bruh? Come, man.
You know what I want. Something. Anything. What you got? What you got? What you got? Ooh, you eat anything.
When the old folk be at the church, come I save y'all scraps of my dog. That's what they be talking about.
Nah, they want both. Here's Robbie. Alright, I see it. Alright, I see it. You got Daddy Chef on the propane. This begging boy. Move.
Hey, I don't know about y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in a sec. Hold up.
I got a egg. What you call this? Look fried, but it's
That's an egg over easy.
Uh-huh.
You see how it busts out of there?
Yeah.
Egg over easy with your bacon medium rare, the way you like it.
Yeah, it ain't medium rare. I just don't like it much. It's my time of the month, and he eating for me.
Hey, but I had to get right, you know what I'm saying? Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh, you almost lost it.
Whoa. Block him off, block him off. Alright, but anyway, move, boy.
He said, yeah, don't tell me what I got.
I got me a hamburger with the egg, the fried egg, and the extra crispy bacon like I like it. Lord have mercy. Move, boy. This ain't for you, cuz.
He said, sauce it up.
And a little cheese. You know how I like
You know
it.
I like it. Baby boy.
Bring me back a fat burger, mama, on the real. Little cheese, you know how I like it.
Go in the house.
You know how I like it. Cash, like I like it like that too. You want some of that cash?
Not today. Bro, you done had 6 eggshells. You better move.
Sit.
You need to move. Mwah.
You so pretty. You got ketchup? Boom. That ain't in these books. He said boom, boom, play. I'm a little over 200 feet in the air.
Bruh.
I'm trying to, hey, I'm trying to walking a little over 200 feet in the air. Cash, how are you doing it? You really even want to get above the ground. He like this. Oh, that's what you're gonna do? Get it. He got a weak stomach, y'all. You good? That's a no. Weak link. Cash looking like it ain't that bad. You hear the waterfall? Oh, I know you hear it. Let's try to remember that bridge we seen. Let's see if this trail will take us. Somebody grab a poop bag.
Grab a what?
Poop bag.
Grab a couple of them. Put them in your bag.
Mud.
Ice cold.
gotta take. Oh man, I had to take my glasses off to see this. Oh my gosh. My glass is too dark. I couldn't really see. This is beautiful. Wait, Cash. Wait, Cash. Good boy. Hold on. Please do not disturb rebar yellow marking. All right, anything yellow don't bother it. Oh, look at that. You know what I want to try, but I'm scared? River rafting.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, river rafting.
That's what they was doing in Washington.
Oh, oh. See that? It is.
Satisfying.
Satisfying, that's the word. Yeah. Little Falls Trail. What's that sign say?
Little Falls Trail.
He heard me because he said it exactly. Oh, careful, careful. Miss Blue was trying to get her some of that water, but she was scared to get too close. Yeah, it's close over here. Me and Ryan was over here on the other side. Be careful. Oh, look at the baby duckies. Look at that water. Get you some of that, boy. Oh, it's cold. It is.
Yeah, we go to land.
They got some lands with creeks on it.
I'll get in there.
About to get carried away by the stream. Y'all, we out here, baby.
Yeah.
Private island, baby. Yeah, man. We're on the island, man. Yeah.
What?
We Jamaican.
Oh my God.
Here he go with the bull. That water cold too.
We out here.
Who wants to go swimming in the water?
Oh my gosh, Naya.
Oh my God, are you
oh
okay?
My gosh.
Let me help you.
Naya.
Let me help you.
Yeah, feel like a careful.
Oh, that's a different one. Another one.
Oh, look at it from right here.
She finna jump. Come on, dude.
All right, it says end of fall trails. Map recommended if you continue in ahead. So in other words, they can't help you get back if you can't get back.
Clap it up.
Rabbit, shoot, shoot,
Clap it up.
shoot. Say black people don't count.
She.
A whole lot of blues.
Once I was 7 years old. Face off. It's cold? What you doing? You ain't messing with it. Woo.
Bang, bang.
Okay, Ryan found the blue. Let's go. Lead us back.
You want to run. Don't get the feet wet. There you go. There you go. Get the feet wet. There you go, girl.
Get in there.
There you go, girl. Yeah.
Hey, nice.
That one's
Hold it.
flat too. Oh, and look at this one.
Hey. Guess you can skip it. Over there.
How she was looking too.
Crawfish.
Be nice.
Be nice.
It was on the rock.
That's a crawfish. Or like y'all say, crawdads.
Throw that.
This is on the rock.
Crawfish tonight, baby.
He pretty big.
Where?
Right there.
There.
Oh, we about to eat crawfish tonight, baby.
Yeah, I got this.
Who gonna get them?
You feel like you doing this.
Oh,
Black and orange.
oh, she got colors.
Wait, it was like this big. And I just saw it slithering through the grass. Oh.
We're gonna get closer for the go out of that bridge. Look at this. They finna bust their heads.
I will take one. Let's go. Get him.
Huh?
He tried to hit him.
Oh, he thick.
Huh?
He thick.
He like this thick. Wait,
His
like
head real
this.
little, but his body's starting to get big. He over there somewhere.
Hey, Blue. What you doing? You done? This the game. This our last night at Promised Land.
Promised land.
Promised Land campsite in Pennsylvania. And we got the fire going. Let's show y'all.
Show y'all the fire.
Brush, put the slingshot.
This is all the firewood we got left. So we're gonna play a little game.
I'm Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. We play Bob the Builder.
Alright, boom. So this is the game. The person who gets the biggest pile of free firewood wins.
What we get?
You'll see after you win. Alright, mark it, set, go. That's me.
That's Daddy.
What the hell?
That's Daddy.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
I think I'm gonna take a break from my pile.
Man, nah. This one don't count.
Why don't it wood? You said wood.
That one don't count.
You said wood.
No, you better break that up.
That don't count.
I break it.
Haha. Whoa. What you do? Oh, now you're cheating.
I was over here first.
I know you lying.
I
They gotta be broke up. They gotta be broke up.
Let me go up there.
Nope.
Cash wanna play. You cheating.
I'm cheating.
Oh, you are missing a stick.
Yeah, somebody took my
Somebody took mine too.
bro. Leave the camera so we can record to see who's been stealing. Because whoever been stealing is automatically disqualified. That looked like a stick that was in my pile.
It wasn't. I just went and got this one. Trash. Trash.
That ain't even wood.
Uh-oh, Ryan got that bitch. Oh, he cheated.
That's all the wood you had.
Woo!
Y'all ain't stealing my wood.
I did.
Bro, it's wood.
No, take this out and then determine.
I got a big pile.
I got a file.
You just got 3 wide sticks.
Mom, we all got still what I got. Look at this. Look at that fire. Look at that fire. Look. And we got to see whose fire will be the biggest.
We're gonna let the comments. We're gonna let the comments be the judge.
Hey, y'all put in the comments.
Wait,
section.
record this. Record
Hold
this.
on, time out.
What you did?
Come on. Y'all put in the comment section that
Put your roll. We got the camera.
that Camper Daddy has won the challenge. You know what I'm saying?
Look what I did. Punch your fire. He ain't win. He ain't win.
I
Camper
won.
Daddy has
I
won the
won.
challenge, bro. Look.
See, look.
Y'all don't have to hurt their feelings. I know I won.
Oh my god.
I know how.
What's up, guys? It's Robbie. I'm gonna go get some worms. I lifted this big behind thing. Watch this. Worm. Ugh. Worms. I'm gonna collect some worms, and then I'll be back to the campsite. Big worm. There's another one underneath. Yeah, feisty one. Feisty.
Hey,
Listen to them go.
hey, family.
No,
Listen to them
I
go.
already knew I wasn't gonna win.
Let me pull out the violin.
I already knew I wasn't gonna win, but it's the matter of fact that I had fun while doing it. I had fun.
Hey, that sounds like a sorrow speech.
Will Smith one of y'all.
You about to do what?
Will Smith one of y'all.
You about to Will Smith who?
Smith
Come on.
one of y'all.
Keep my name at your.
This boy.
I like that. Trying to warm up his rock. There you go.
Rock, man. You can't go too far, bro.
But done for.
Everyone, I just wanted to let you know and give awareness that
R.I.P.
my shoe is no longer living. Thanks for that month.
Bubbles, they make your feet feel fine. Bubbles, they cost $1.99. Bubbles, oh yes,
Now
they're
your crusty
bubbles.
feet in
They
there.
make your feet
Hey.
feel fine.
Hey, Cash did this to her crock. Cash say, yeah.
Anyway, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. This is a serious matter.
I said bubbles.
No.
They make your feet. What's up, y'all? It's Baker's outside.
Yep.
And we made it
We started at
to the final
No
night
day.
of the fire.
No more firewood. Got the last big fire going, and then get out of here tomorrow.
It has been a day. We played some football. We did a challenge. But hey, the fire's still going.